Hello everyone, again I Anjum Bhatia Nirban welcomes you to join the class of General Knowledge. So today we are going to start our topic number 6, which is all about Punjab and Haryana. So today we will get about Punjab and Haryana. So here Punjab and Haryana are the two states located in North India. They share a common capital city which is Chandigarh. Okay, there are more such interesting facts about the two states. Let us learn more. अब हम इन दो states के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. First we'll read about Punjab. Punjab is known as the land of five rivers. पंजाब को क्या कहा जाता है? Land of five rivers. Why? The word Punjab is derived from Persian word punch, i.e. इसका मतलब ये होता है five. Punch means five and aap means water. Okay, so five water means five rivers से का land है ये. Okay, this denote the five rivers Satluj, Beas, Ravi, Shenab and Jhelum. Okay, Sinab and Jhelum. The Greek referred to Punjab as Pentapotamia, as island delta of five converging rivers. It means island delta of five converging rivers. Next is the holiest of six shrines, हरमंदिर साहिब यानी गोल्डन टेम्पल इज इन अमृतसर, पंजाब. ये कहाँ पर है? गोल्डन टेम्पल अमृतसर में है. ओके, ऑफ द फाइव तख्त ऑफ सिखिज्म, 3 आर इन पंजाब. जितने भी 5 तख्त हैं सिखिज्म में जो बिलीव होता है वो कहाँ है? पंजाब में 3 है. कौन कौन से हैं? श्री अकाल तख्त साहिब, Damdama Sahib and Anandpur Sahib. Okay, and next fact is Amritsar in India attracts more tourists than visitor to the Taj Mahal. अमृतसर में इतने टूरिस्ट आते हैं जितने की विजिट ज्यादा टूरिस्ट rather than Taj Mahal. Okay, Punjab is called the granary of India and bread basket of India. पंजाब को किस नेम से भी क्या जाना जाता है? ग्रेनरी ऑफ इंडिया एंड ब्रेड बास्केट ऑफ इंडिया. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज Milk processing plant at Moga. Amritsar is the largest in Punjab with processing capacity of 4,35,000 liters. यानी कितना है यहाँ पर processing? 4,35,000 liters. Okay. Dera Basai, Ludhiana is called the Manchester of India. Dera Basai is a place of Ludhiana जो कि क्या कहलाता है? Manchester of India. Batala known for the cast iron and mechanical machinery was once called the Iron Bird of India. जो कि कभी क्या मानी जाती थी? Iron Bird of India. Mandi Govindgarh of Fatehgarh Sahib district is called the Steel Town. इसको कहा जाता है स्टील टाउन. मंडी गोविंदगढ़ ऑफ फतेहपुर साहिब क्यों कहा जाता है? एज इट हैज द लार्जेस्ट नंबर ऑफ स्टील रोलिंग प्लांट्स. ओके, किला रायपुर sports festival. Now we are talking about festival of Punjab. Kila Raipur sports festival, popular known as the rural Olympics, is held only near Ludhiana in Punjab. The highest number of car ownership per thousand population is in Chandigarh. सबसे ज्यादा कहाँ पर है? चंडीगढ़ में with 82 cars per thousand people. यानी कितनी है? 82 car per thousand people. Okay, so this is the fact about the Punjab. Now we'll read about Haryana. Haryana, the abode of God. क्या माना जाता है? Abode of God. The word Haryana comes from Sanskrit Hari for Hindu God Vishnu and Ayana means that is home. यानी God का home. Many scholars believe it means Hari from Sanskrit Harit, that is green, and Haryana from Sanskrit means forest, green forest. Okay, किसी का believe green forest के लिए है, किसी का believe है home of God. Okay, Haryana is the land of Brahmavarta where the Vedic scriptures were written. Vedic जो scriptures थी वो यहाँ लिखी गई थी. The battleground of Kurukshetra is located here. Okay, जो कुरुक्षेत्र में जो बैटल हुआ तो वो यही है. राखीगढ़ी is a village in Haryana's Hisar district. कहाँ पर है राखीगढ़ी? एक विलेज का नेम है जो कहाँ कौन से डिस्ट्रिक्ट में है? हिसार डिस्ट्रिक्ट में है. इट इज वन ऑफ द साइट्स ऑफ द लार्जेस्ट और ओल्डेस्ट सिविलाइजेशन ऑफ इंडिया, इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन. ओके, क्या है यहाँ पे? इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन का है ये पार्ट. Many believe that Rakhigarhi may have been the origin of Harappa civilization. कुछ का believe है कि ये origin कहाँ, इसका origin यहाँ पर किसका था? हड़प्पा civilization का भी था. Near the Ghaggar basin that gradually moved to the Indus River Valley. The first battle of Panipat 1526, the second battle of Panipat 1556, the third battle of Panipat 1761 are all part of Haryana's history. और ये सारे battle part कहाँ के हैं? हरियाणा के ही हैं. हरियाणा earned the title of Gateway of North India, और हरियाणा को एक title मिला हुआ है, that is Gateway of India. Okay, now here we will read more about Haryana. Haryana is the first state in India to have 100% rural electrification. Electrification means the thing charging something electricity from this electricity यहाँ पर 100% है. Okay, Surajkund Craft Mela is internationally famous and is held from 1 to 15 February every year. यहाँ पर एक क्राफ्ट मेला लगता है, सूरजकुंड क्राफ्ट मेला, और कब लगता है? February 1st or 2nd week में. Okay, Haryana is the largest exporter of basmati rice, largest manufacturer of passengers cars, motorcycles, bicycles, refrigerators, scientific instruments and tractors. Okay, the state has local offices of more than 300 Fortune 500 companies. Haryana is a state that has no airport. यहाँ पर कोई airport नहीं है. It is often called the Green Belt of India. इसको क्या कहा जाता है? Green Belt of India for its contribution to the Green Revolution. क्यों कहा जाता है? क्योंकि इसका contribution था Green Revolution में. So here we have completed our topic number 6, which is all about Punjab and Haryana. I hope this is clear to you all. For making you better understand, I have a PDF form of this. Let's read that. First of all, student, आप लोगों को ये जो PDF फॉर्म है अपनी कॉपी में करना है. ओके, डू दिस इन योर नोटबुक ओनली. ओके क्लास, नाउ हियर देयर इज अ मैप गिवन. आप देख सकते हैं, एक है सॉरी ऊपर है ये ग्रीन जो पंजाब है, एंड इधर हरियाणा, एंड दोनों की कैपिटल क्या है? चंडीगढ़. ओके, दे शेयर सेम कॉमन कैपिटल व्हिच इज चंडीगढ़. ओके, फर्स्ट विल रीड क्विक बेसिक फैक्ट्स अबाउट पंजाब एंड हरियाणा. कैपिटल दोनों की सेम है, चंडीगढ़. ऑल मेजर फेस्टिवल आर सेलिब्रेटेड इन बोथ स्टेट्स विद ग्रेट फर्वर. यानी बहुत अच्छे से मनाए जाते हैं दोनों में फेस्टिवल्स. देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ सिमिलरली इन टर्म्स ऑफ फूड. फूड में भी सिमिलरिटी है पंजाब और हरियाणा के. ओके, बोथ आर रिच इन एग्रीकल्चर. एग्रीकल्चर कृषि ज्यादा होती है, एंड आर फूड बोल्स ऑफ इंडिया. और इन्हें क्या कहा जाता है? फूड बोल्स ऑफ इंडिया. In term of food, both states use large quantity of ghee, और यहाँ पर घी का यूज ज्यादा किया जाता है. First we'll read about Punjab as according to our book. First I'll let you know that historical fact. Historical fact about Punjab is Guru Ramdas laid the foundation of present city Amritsar. अमृतसर का founder कौन है? Guru Ramdas. Amritsar in India attracts more tourists than visitor to the Taj Mahal, as we have read already. Guru Arjun Dev compiled the Adi Granth. His son Guru Har Gobind trained his followers in military art. Okay. The Sikh Empire 18 सॉरी जो डेट दी हुई है यहाँ से देखिए, द सिख एम्पायर वाज फॉर्म बाय महाराजा रंजीत सिंह. जो सिख एम्पायर थी वो किसके द्वारा की गई थी फॉर्म? महाराजा रंजीत सिंह. और कहाँ से कहाँ तक चली थी? 1801 से 1849. ओके, नाउ विल रीड ज्योग्राफिकल फैक्ट. ओके, पंजाब बॉर्डर विद 4 स्टेट्स. 4 स्टेट्स है यहाँ पर देखिए, जम्मू एंड कश्मीर इन नॉर्थ, हिमाचल प्रदेश इन नॉर्थ ईस्ट, हरियाणा in south, and Rajasthan is south west. Okay, these are 4 borders. The word Punjab is made of 2 words. Panch means 5 and Ab means waters. These denote the 5 rivers: Satluj, Bees, Ravi, Senab and Jhelum, as I have told you in book also. Now we will read about economical fact. Economic facts are like this. Punjab is called the granary of India, and it Indian bread and the Indian bread basket. Milk processing plant at Moga, Amritsar is the largest in Punjab with processing capacity of 4,35,000 liters. Dera Basai, Ludhiana is called the Manchester of India. Batala, known for the cast iron and mechanical machinery, was once called the Iron Bird of India. Mandi Govindgarh of Fatehgarh Sahib district is called the Steel Town as it has the largest number of steel rolling plants. This is the economical fact. Now let's move towards to the social and cultural fact of Punjab. Bhangra and Gidda are traditional dance forms of the state to celebrate the harvest season of Lohri. लोहड़ी का जो फेस्टिवल आता है उसमें सबसे ज्यादा जो सेलिब्रेट मीन जो हार्वेस्ट सीजन को सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए वहां पे क्या किया जाता है, भांगड़ा एंड गिद्दा. Kila Raipur Sports Festival, popularly known as the Rural Olympic, is held annually near Ludhiana in Punjab. So this is what we read about Punjab. Now there is a something about Haryana. First historical fact of Haryana. Haryana is known as the abode of God. Haryana is the land of Brahmavarta where the Vedic scriptures were written. The battleground of Kurukshetra is located here. Rakigadi is a village in Haryana's Hisar district. It is one of the state of the largest and oldest civilization of India, which is Indus Valley civilization. It is often called the belt of India for its contribution to the Green Revolution. Now, geographical fact. Haryana is the first state in India to have 100% rural electrification. Haryana is the state that has no airport. Now, economical fact. Haryana is the largest exporter of basmati rice, largest manufacturer of passengers cars, motorcycles, bicycles, refrigerators, scientific instruments, and tractors. The state has local offices of more than 300 Fortune 500 companies. Social and cultural fact में आता है, Surajkund Craft Mela is internationally famous and is held from 1 to 15 February every year. So this is how we completed our chapter, topic number 6, all about Punjab and Haryana. Hope you enjoyed this chapter and gained lot of knowledge from this chapter. And please student, do this work, do this PDF form in your notebook. Okay class, bye bye everyone, take care of yourself.